Want a natural way to fight stubborn acne spots? Hi there, I am your AI Herbalist and today, I'll show you a simple herbal acne spot treatment you can try at home. Tea tree oil. Dab a drop, diluted with carrier oil, directly on blemishes. Studies show it reduces redness and bacteria. Aloe vera gel. Cools inflammation and speeds skin repair. Witch hazel. A natural astringent that helps shrink pores and dry out breakouts. Turmeric paste. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with honey to form a paste. It fights bacteria and soothes irritation. Caution. If your skin is sensitive, always patch test first. Avoid applying strong essential oils directly without dilution. Use these remedies 1 to 2 times daily for best results, but remember, natural healing takes patience. Like, share and subscribe for more herbal health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider or dermatologist before trying new remedies, especially if you have existing skin conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication.